making sure. Hey guys, we're just here at Trinity Detailing Australia. It's my good friend Mike who's going to be doing the detailing. Go. Here it is.
So we just put the cushions in, and my beautiful mama bear made these beautiful cushions, and look at them.
Sage, what you doing?
Waving. You to get this up? Say hi.
Hey baby boy. Hello.
Bus.
Yes, that's a bus. Where are we?
Mommy.
Monkey. What's the monkeys do? Yes, we're at Monkey Maya. Yeah. Yeah. But we didn't take this bus. We took our bus. Wave to the people. We just arrived at Monkey Maya. Boy just had a little sleep. And we're ready to get in the water. He's got his outfit on. Looking good, Sagey boy. You ready for the beach? Yeah? I think you're ready. Should we do it? Okay, let's go. So we came to Monkey Maya not to see the monkeys, but to see the dolphins. Let's do it. Well, there's one dolphin over there. Just over there. Come, baby boy.
Dolphins, babe.
Check it all out, see how she's rolling on her side. So once you will never catch a fish after it's in her car.
Yeah,
Does
dolphins.
anyone know how we know that this is completely bent over? Sometimes when they do bend over.
Wave to the dolphin.
The kisses.
You're out there with
What do you reckon of seeing the dolphins? Yeah? You tell me. Yeah? And then the water and the beach. There's a boat. There's a boat over there.
He can see himself.
Spotted a couple of emus. We're gonna go quick look. Try and get up close. Whoa, jeez. Woo! What you reckon, Sagey boy? This is emus. Pretty cool, hey? And they move really quickly. Oh! Was that cool?
Cool.
That was so cool. Yeah. Can you run as quick as them?
Can you say emu?
You say emu.
Emu?
Where are they? The emus are in the trees. Trees?
In the bushes?
In the trees?